Clyde! Hey, check this out. I am the great Cornholio. I need deep before my bunghole.
Mm-hmm.
My bunghole cannot wait.
Mm-hmm.
Are you threatening me?
What are you doing?
I'm doing Beavis for Beavis and Butthead.
First of all, you're doing it wrong. Beavis wears his shirt up on top of his head whenever he does the Great Cornholio.
Oh, yeah. I can't do it, though.
And why haven't you found a house yet? Why are you still living with me?
I just turned 18.
Yeah, and you're old enough to move out.
I just turned 18. It takes a while to find a house.
Yeah? Well, why don't you live with Winnie the Pooh or whatever?
Ugh, you're boring. You know what? I'm just gonna go outside.
What a dumbass.
Glibbity, glibbity, glock. Yeah, there we go. Alright, I'm bored. I don't know what to do. Huh? Oh, hey. You're the bird who knocked me off of that roof. Yes, and I'm still mad at you for that. I don't like it when people knock me off of a roof. What? You want my wallet? No, it's my wallet. I'm not letting you have it. No, it's my wallet. Hey, my wallet! No! Blaze, blaze, blaze! A bird just stole my wallet!
Mm-hmm.
Well, I don't care if you think I'm sexy. I'm going to find the wallet.
What? I never said that.
Ha ha! Gotcha! What are you doing anyway?
Just playing on my phone?
A bird stole my wallet.
Yep.
Duh.
Phew, finally.
Oh, it's so hot out here. Huh? The end of the road. The end of the road. Okay. Here, birdie, 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 birdie. Here, birdie, 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 birdie.
Yo, son. Over here.
Huh? Who said that? Who are you? Huh? Who are you?
That bird you're looking for?
What about it? And who are you?
My name is Goat Pygmy. And that bird you're looking for? That's my bird.
Oh, well, I don't mean to be rude, but your bird stole my wallet.
Oh, that naughty little thing. Let's go get your bird.
All right. Wait, really? You're gonna help me?
But on one condition. You have to... You see, my thong is stuck in my butt crack, and I need someone to get it out.
What? I'm not doing that.
Do it, or you don't get your wallet.
Okay, fine. Yeah, Ah! Dude, what's wrong with you?
Alright, let's go get your bird.
Alright.
Here, Wally, 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 Wally. Wally, Wally, Wally. Wally. Oh, Wally. I hear you. Where are you? Well, well, well. Wally, Wally, Wally. What did I say about stealing? No, I did not say you could steal. I said not to steal. I know you want money, but we're poor people.
Freaking dang it.
We're country people. We are real men. Give me that wallet. What did you just say? That's what I thought.
Ah.
Here's your wallet back.
Oh, thanks.
Now, if you ever need anything, just come up to this field and give me a holler. I'll be here. I'm usually hanging around that cross right there.
Oh.
Now, you should probably get out of here before the coyotes eat you.
Whoa!